Welcome back, entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of startups. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or someone with a big idea ready to take the leap, launching a startup can be both exhilarating and daunting. But fear not. We've got you covered with the 10 essential steps to launch your startup successfully. Step 1. Define your vision. Every successful startup begins with a clear and compelling vision. Take the time to define your mission, values, and goals. What problem are you solving? Who is your target audience? Your vision will serve as your North Star throughout the startup journey. Step 2. Conduct market research. Understanding your market is crucial. Conduct thorough research to identify market trends, competition, and potential customers. What are their pain points? How can your solution address their needs better than existing alternatives? Step 3. Develop your business plan. Your business plan is your roadmap to success. Outline your business model, revenue streams, marketing strategy, and operational plan. Be sure to include financial projections and milestones to measure your progress. Step 4. Validate your idea. Before investing time and resources, validate your idea with real-world feedback. Conduct surveys, interviews, and prototype testing to gather insights from potential customers. This will help you refine your offering and ensure market fit. Step 5. Secure funding. Funding is often a critical factor in startup success. Explore different funding options such as bootstrapping, crowdfunding, angel investors, or venture capital. Prepare a compelling pitch deck and be ready to articulate your vision and business opportunity. Step 6. Build your team. Surround yourself with a talented and passionate team. Identify individuals with complementary skills who share your vision and values. Your team is the backbone of your startup and will play a crucial role in its success. Step 7. Develop your minimum viable product, MVP. Focus on building a minimum viable product that addresses the core needs of your target audience. Keep it simple, iterate quickly based on feedback, and prioritize features that deliver the most value. Step 8. Launch and iterate. Launching your startup is just the beginning. Gather feedback from early adopters, analyze metrics, and iterate based on user insights. Continuously refine your product, marketing, and business strategy to stay competitive and meet evolving customer needs. Step 9. Build your brand. Your brand is more than just a logo. It's the perception people have of your company. Invest in building a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Develop your brand voice, messaging, and visual identity to stand out in the market.